Are you aware of the signs that indicate you should see a gynecologist? In many societies, taboos around sexual health lead women to neglect their vaginal health. Often, the fear of judgment keeps them from visiting a gynecologist. This can lead to serious health issues, delayed treatment, and unnecessary suffering. Breaking away from these societal chains, it's crucial to prioritize your health and well-being. If you experience any concerning symptoms, it's time to shed the hesitation. It is time to pay attention to your health and consult a gynecologist if you notice any of the following symptoms. Have you been noticing any dramatic changes in your menstrual cycle? If you're experiencing sudden irregularity, heavy bleeding, or a prolonged absence of your period, it's time to pay attention. These changes could be indicators of serious health issues. Maybe it's hormonal imbalances, or possibly polycystic ovary syndrome. It could be a thyroid disorder, or an issue with your reproductive system. Don't guess or worry in silence. Seek professional guidance. Your gynecologist can provide medical advice and appropriate medicines to help with these problems. Are you experiencing persistent pelvic pain that just doesn't seem to go away? If this rings a bell, it's time to visit a gynecologist. Persistent pelvic pain, particularly during your periods or sexual intercourse, could be a signal of serious health issues. Conditions such as endometriosis, pelvic inflammatory disease, fibroids, or ovarian cysts could be the underlying causes. These aren't just minor discomforts to brush off. They demand immediate medical attention and guidance. Remember, these conditions need to be treated before they cause more harm. Have you noticed a distinct change in your vaginal discharge? It's not unusual for the discharge to vary throughout your menstrual cycle, but if you're seeing a significant change in color, thickness, or odor, it could be a signal of something more serious. These changes could be indicating a variety of infections that disrupt your vaginal pH balance or overall health. For instance, yeast infections often result in thick white discharge, while bacterial vaginosis might cause a fishy odor and grayish-white discharge. Consulting a gynecologist is important to prevent an escalation of these issues. Are you experiencing pain or discomfort during intercourse? It's crucial to understand that this isn't something you should ignore. These issues could be symptomatic of a larger underlying condition and may require medical intervention. Remember, sexual comfort is an essential aspect of your overall health, and any changes should be taken seriously. If you're experiencing any discomfort, or if you've noticed changes in your sexual health, it's time to schedule a visit to your gynecologist. Don't hesitate to discuss your sexual health with your gynecologist. Are you feeling itchy or experiencing a burning sensation around your urethra? If so, it's worth a trip to your gynecologist. Symptoms like these can signify a range of conditions. It might be a simple infection that antibiotics can clear up. But these symptoms could also point to a sexually transmitted infection that might require more intensive care. While it's tempting to self-medicate with increased water and vitamin C intake to combat a common UTI, it's always wiser to seek professional advice. It is best to take advice prior to increasing water and vitamin C intake to help with a common UTI. Remember, your health is your wealth. In the whirl of daily routines, it's easy to overlook our own health, especially when it comes to gynecological issues. Ignoring symptoms like irregular cycles, pelvic discomfort, unusual discharge, sexual discomfort, or urinary problems can lead to serious consequences. Regular visits to the gynecologist aren't just about childbirth. They are vital for maintaining your overall health. Strike away the fear, break the silence, and take control of your health. It's always better to be safe than sorry. So don't ignore these signs and make sure to consult your gynecologist regularly.